Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Stock number is A8256. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio and cruise controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Miata on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.